everyone, Ingrid Antoine reporting for Bulletin Express. The first Haitian American appointed to the Commission Board of the City of Delray Beach is up for re-election. Commissioner Mack Bernard launched his campaign this week with a diverse group, and everyone has a different reason why they're voting Mack.
On March 10th, I'm going to be voting for Mack Bernard because he's honest and forthright and will be ending corruption in our city.
I'm going to vote for Mack Bernard because he's a highly intelligent, successful tax attorney who nevertheless takes time to go to Haiti and help disadvantaged people there, and who has a sincere interest in helping the residents of our community, Delray Beach.
I'm voting for Mack Bernard because he's the one person who knows the issues in my neighborhood and is willing to do something about it.
With the city of Delray Beach being under so much scrutiny, Mack Bernard promises change.
We're trying to win this election and making sure that we bring change to the city of Delray Beach.
Elections for the city of Delray Beach is March 10th, and this election promises to be a contentious one. I'm Ingrid Antoine for Bulletin Express.